Once again, I have another package. This is the last one for a while. Now, I'm pretty sure I know which one this is. It's the radio. And the transmitter. Alright. How do you open this one? Ah. Of course it's going to be made in China. Everything you have nowadays is made in China. Okay, so anyway, this is the transmitter. And apparently, it's supposed to come with a microphone, but I don't see it in there. It's in there somewhere. Anyway, that's the transmitter. And the second one is a radio. Overtime. AM FM radio. And here in a few days I will put them together. Take this one out and look at it first. Yeah, there it is, microphone. It's there. Okay, this is the Indiana instructions. And they're in English. Soldering and installation steps. Overtime support is the D. Okay. Passes a monolithic and these are two different types, of course. Yeah. Okay. Let me see here. Okay, components list. Everything is in there. The FM transmitter is mainly composed of microcontroller, etc., FM transmitter chip. And then see how you see mainline microcontroller. Used to conform the chips. Does not say how far it will get out. We also prepare PDF version detailed instructions, manual on the conversion of the prototype support smell. I don't know. I guess that's telling me how to get a hold of the instructions. Okay, now oh, no, wait a minute. Here. For okay, so take that out for a moment though. And of course, nice board. Very nice board. 10K, 10K. Two 10Ks. Okay, let's 10K, 10K. So it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10Ks in here. Audio in. Okay, now let's get these out. It would be real helpful if they had all the numbers written on them, but guess what? They don't. And I don't know if those are stamped for, oh, wait a minute, I know those are for, yeah, something else. That's not what you could have watched it. Anyway, we can find out what these guys are here by way of this. That's just off and on switch, the buttons for whatever, and let's see. Okay, I can't even see that right now. There's one there. This is going to be, oh, there's two capacitors. Cool. It's going to be a little difficult, isn't it? Okay, now we got this. And I have no idea. I'm going to have to go through the parts list. This is a microphone for in, anyway. We will have to do that. Okay, there's these guys. Takes two AA batteries, to which I have. And we can also check the capacitors with this. Okay, now we will see what we have. Okay, resistors, 10K. 6 altogether, or 1, whatever this is. Gee, this is okay. This will work. Okay, what about electric indicator? 1 L1, position L1. Okay, this will do it. Capacitor, capacitor, capacitor. Oh, ceramic. That's electrical lady, those little long things you see. Crystal. Switch. Audio. Digital tube. Oh, never mind. Antenna. 5. Aux metal. Ding, ding, ding. Okay. Screw nut. Leveler microphone. 1. Audio cable. 2. I guess I might have to get this guy here and find out what they're all about. The audio cable, which is for a speaker, I'm assuming. But don't quote me on that, ladies and gentlemen, because I don't bloody know. Okay, get in there. Okay. That's one. And that is, right here is the transmitter. And this one here, it's the same thing, it's Fogger time, AM and FM radio. Oh, okay. Oh, yes, 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 yes. This is going to be a wonderful kit here. This is fantastic. Let's move this over here for a moment. I know my desk, man. Like I said before, would I have it any other way? Okay. The screws and everything else in there. The standoffs for this guy. FM antennae. Oops, oops, and double oops. Now look at this. Just look at this. Isn't that pretty? Isn't it just the prettiest thing you ever seen? It's almost perfect. Right now I think I'm catching a cold, so I'm not going to do this right now. I'll just wait till I get to feeling better sometime tomorrow. If I'm not tomorrow, I will be alright. Okay, turn this around. Okay, 2, 5. That's 5. Oh, that's 47 microfarads, 16 volts. And we will take that. This is a beautiful, beautiful board. I have never seen a board like this in all my life. 216K, 39K. Okay, that's all good. Those are there. I had a chance of putting one of these in, and where is that in my clock here? This, and speakers will go under the back. Hook up here and here. And that there is this. There's the crystal. Okay. It almost feels like metal. Okay. Now we shall look at this for a moment. There's the instructions. Okay, this shows everything on how to do it. And there's the wires for the speakers. Da, da, da. Okay, oops. Okay. Monolithic capacitors. Okay, this is 27 microfarad plus 20. 27, in other words, we're supposed to do. IC. What did I see? Did I see an IC? I guess these maybe the ICs here. Schematic. I'm not sure there's everything right here, too. It's really, really very neatly packed. Variable resistor. Position. Oh, there's a switch right there. FM antenna, AM antenna, resistor, 4K. I've never seen a 160. Oh, yes, I have too. 100K. Yeah, I'd have too. I've seen most of all of these. Monolithic capacitor. How many in there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ceramic capacitors. Well, okay, there's 3. Electric capacitor. Oh, electronic capacitor, that's those 3. Resistor. VO1. Speaker. Fix FM antenna. This is going to be another fun build, another video. Yeah. And I'm going to enjoy this extremely well. But right now, I'm just going to put it all back in there. In a day or 2 or 3, I will put one of these together. Or maybe all 3. Or just one at a time. I don't know yet. Why is there a screw in there? I don't know. But in the meantime, I just went down to Grand Junction today and had my bladder tested for the bladder cancer to which I have. It's going away. But, you know, it's just getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning is not my idea of fun. Okay. Radio, watch, and transmitter. Get them all put together soon. With the help of this, and with the help of this. I got to figure out how to put this camera behind me, but this is not long enough. Okay. There you go. Waiting and waiting. Where did these guys come from? Oh, never mind. They come from somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, until then, I'll see you in a bit. Have a great one. Goodbye and God bless.